students, so today we're gonna discuss about big integer class in Java. In scanner class is very easy to use and not very efficient. Like suppose I want to take a very long input. Suppose this is the input. Okay, really long input, like long बोले तो एकदम long. So in scan class we cannot pass this much long input, like beyond the range of integer. Okay, so what is the range of integer is 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 32. Okay, so this is the range integer. Okay, so if I want to give the input beyond this range, scanner class is not applicable. To overcome this problem, big integer class comes in a frame. Okay, so what is big integer class? Just to take a very large, bigger value in an input, we use a big integer class. Okay, now how we will use this big integer class, we will see. But before that, scanner class also have some methods like dot next, int, or dot next method, or so many predefined methods which already have some they return something or they take predefined only. So similarly in big integer also there are some methods which are already defined, like dot add method. Okay, it will pass an arguments big integer variable. Okay, so how we will use that? I have some big integer. I have declared a as in big integer, and then I just give dot add, and then passes another big integer variable, that is b. Okay, so it will return the big in a form of big integer. It will create add these two numbers and result in a big integer variable. So similarly, we have and method also, which passes a big integer variable, and it will returns the end function. You have seen this operators in operators. So what if it will do is it will do a and b. It will check the condition and return that. Another thing we have similarly for add, we have add, multiply, subtract, divide methods also. You can search on Google and check whether what are the methods. There is one also compare to. Compare to method, it will also take a big integer variable as in arguments, and it will compare the value, compare to two big integers. Okay, and we have some square root method also, which returns the integer square root of this big number. Okay, so there are so many max, min, predefined methods. So these methods we use with the big integer uh, variables. Now we will see how we will declare big integer value. So big integer is a class. So how we will declare, just create object of this class, big integer. Suppose a is equals to, using whenever we have to create an object, we use a new keyword and then simply pass this constructor. Okay, so we have created this as an object also. You can also use big integer a. Okay, so next is, after this, how we will take this as an in a scanner class. Like scanner class is used for the input only, so how big integer we will take in a scanner class, we will see that. Okay, Okay, so simply we have to write that first line, that scanner. We will create a S object of scanner class, new scanner, and we will pass that standard input system dot in, and after that we will create an object of this big integer class bi, and we will use next big integer method of scanner class. This is method present in a scanner class. I just want to tell what is this big integer means. This method is already defined in a scanner class. Okay, so simply it will take a very long number that is beyond the range. So we define di as a big integer and passes a method which is already present in a scanner class. So we will see one example. Okay, I will create one class, new class, new, then we have class, uh, big example. Okay. 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 Here. We will create an object of scanner class. Scanner s is equals to, whenever we create an object we use a new keyword, new scanner, and we will pass a predefined object which means standard input system dot in, and you can see that there is a red mark. So what we gonna do is import scanner class. After that, what we have to create a big integer variable. Big integer b is equals to s dot, you can add next here big integer in a scanner class, scans the next token of input as in big integer. Okay, you can see this, it will take a input in a very long way. Okay, uh import this big integer class. Okay, wait. Import big integer which is present in a java.math package. Okay, now I'm just creating one program, system.out.println prime number only. Okay, what I'm gonna take is just use this variable b b dot is probably prime, probable prime. Okay, okay, here I'm using a ternary operator. Now you are assuming what is this is prime method. So this is a predefined method which is in a big integer class. I have already told you there are so many methods in this big integer class. So this is one of the method which is gonna tell whether the number is prime or not, returns in a form of boolean, true or false. And similarly, you can see here returns true if the big integer is probably prime, false if it is definitely composite. Okay, so I have used the ternary operator here and check whether the number is prime or not. Save this program and I'll just run this program. Okay, I have not taken any system.out like statement, enter your number or whatever. So I'm just passing a number, suppose any number, really long number, and just press enter. You can see that it is not a prime number. So this is how big integer comes in a frame to take a very long input. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.